Hello stalkers, welcome back. Excellent day in both the markets. Let's start with DFM index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Today we are seeing a solid green candle. Closing is right into the resistance area that I have identified at 5,190 points. Closing is on the dot. Let's see tomorrow how the market will react. There are two scenarios. Either market may get rejection and come down. Number two, either market may continue going up. It comes down for a retest. If at all it's successful, then most likely we will continue upside momentum. I have identified next area of resistance at 5,393. I'm still with my same analysis. There are chances of correction in DFM because it has now entered into strong resistance zone. With this solid green candle, it's like a do or die situation now. Whether it makes a move, closes above this zone, then we can get a hint that market is still not ready for a correction. It will continue up. If at all we see negative candle into this area, then most likely it will be beginning of a correction. As of now, with today's closing, market is very bullish. Big stocks, especially Emirates and BD Bank, today performed very well, which lifted the sentiments and index of the market. We can clearly see market is trending up. We are seeing some pauses here. This can still not be considered as correction. This is just a pause as we are seeing straight upside momentum with small and dodgy candles. These red candles may indicate pause because we are seeing a closing above the dodgy candle that it created last week. So it's a bit tricky at current situation. It's like a do or die. Tomorrow will be a test day for DFM market. Let's see if it continues going up or correction starts. Finally, some good movement in ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Today market has printed a solid green candle. I'm quite happy with this. But again, we are at the same junction. Check this out. This area is resistance, the trend line that is hurdle. It's been trying to break out, but it's not able to do so. So tomorrow will be very interesting day for DFM and ADX as well. Whether market goes up and closes above this trend line, this will give us a confirmation of a chart pattern breakout. In case if again market reverses, then it will be a failure. There are chances again it may try and visit this trend line, which is acting as a support. As we can see, multiple attempts are made here to break down, but buyers jump in and push the market again up. So if at all it comes down and visits this trend line, most likely we may see a bounce. But on the negative side, if at all any day during this week or coming week, if at all we see a breakdown of this trend line, then be ready. As I mentioned, next support 9,245 and then 9,160. By the way, ADX stocks have started to pick up and there are many opportunities because slowly DFM, which we saw was performing very well in 2024, now slowly money will start flowing in ADX market. And I'm quite positive ADX market will outperform DFM in 2025. This is the daily chart of MAIR. We are seeing today it has printed a red candle. Last week in Friday session we saw a nice green candle. This should be still considered positive. I'm not negative on this stock till the time it does not go below the low of this green candle, that is 1.98. If at all it continues its upside momentum, then we have resistance between 2.20 to 2.26. Most likely this should be taken out. But again, it will not be like a continuous momentum. We may see it hit the resistance, comes down for a correction, and then we may see upside momentum. Once this area of resistance is taken out, then we have a very good space till about 3.00, which is a good markup. As of now, looking at the current price action, if at all we see it was trading within this channel, we saw a breakout in Friday's session with good volumes. It's taking a pause now. Most likely tomorrow it should not open with a gap down. In case if it opens with a gap down, then there are chances it may come down to visit 2.00. If it opens flat or with a gap up, this should be considered as buying opportunity. We can wait for a breakout of 2.11 that was today's high. Once this is taken out, then it will give us another confirmation it's ready to go and hit the next area of resistance. So our stop losses will be planned exactly below the low of this candle at 1.97, 1.98, and from here first target is obviously this resistance, and then we are looking at bigger targets till about 3.00. Till the time MAIR does not break or close below this area, it should be considered positive. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.